watched that adorable AI-generated baby dancing? Now, let's see how you can create your very own AI baby dancing video in just one click. No pro filming, no editing skills needed, just pure cuteness. Let's see how adorable your little one can look busting some moves. First, download the AI Danza app using the link right below. Right now, you'll even get a bonus credits pack inside the app to try it for free. Step 1. Pick your favorite dance template from the library. There are tons of styles, from cute and funny to full-on stage performances. Step 2. Upload your baby's photo. Step 3. Click Generate and let AI work its magic. In just seconds, you'll have a ready-to-share AI baby dance video, complete with music. That's all it takes. No filming, no editing, just pure AI fun. So try it right now using the link below and start making your baby the next viral dance star. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fun AI ideas, and share your AI baby dance creations with us.